Business Unit Head, Direct Roel Bayani.
Hello, pagsilang ko, nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyo lahat sa muli natin pagsasama-sama. I'd like to say hello and thank the members of the press, our bloggers, our internal media, all our friends who are here today. Dahil as you know, Halik is the biggest, by far the biggest show of my unit in my career as a business unit head. So I'm super proud of what this show has achieved. So palakpakan po natin ang bumubuo ng Halik. My creatives, our staff, our crew, everybody, our CCM, our stylist, our posting. Yung iba po, sila na lang po tanongin nyo at nagpapasalamat ako sa nila.
Ikaw, Jericho. I mean, you've done a number of teleseries in the past. Ano yung difference ng feedback na nakukuha mo for Halik?
I guess this is yung pinaka, after Pangako Sa'yo, ito yung ulit yung tumatak ulit na, so it was 20 years.
Yeah.
20 years later, we have a show that is so memorable thanks to the RSP unit and the rest of the gang and the writers and obviously ABS for giving me another chance. And it was hard to choose from Halik to Bastardos to ano ba yan, Direct Roel? Meron pang isa eh, di ba? We were choosing kung ano.
4 ba yun?
4. There were 4 shows that we were choosing from kung ano yung gagawin. So we were like, sige, Halik would be ano, di ba? Parang feeling ko, ito yun eh. Kumbaga kung bubunot ka ng card, ito yun eh, di ba? So ever since nagpalit na yung pangalan, naging Lino na yung tawag sa akin. But I have this, may ugali ako na hinahanap yung flaw ng character ko eh. So on Twitter, on Instagram, hinahanap ko lahat yung flaw just to be more human, di ba? Kasi typical na yung, Alino, si CJ, huwag ka nang bumalik kay Jade, doon ka na lang kay Jackie. O kaya, try mo kaya si Ken. O kaya si Barry.
Iba na eh, no? Naiba.
Diba? Pero sabi ko, mas gusto ko si Mauro, medyo hot eh. So, no, but seriously, I always look for the ones na hindi naririnig masyado. And yun yung imperfections ng character. And that's what I focus on, diba? To make everything more interesting.
Right.
So,
more real.
Character, yeah.
That's right. Thanks, Echo.
Ilang taping days pa ba? Unan pa lang. Ilang taping days pa ba?
10 pa yata.
Talaga?
Wala nga whole week plans.
Oo nga pala. Ano? So hindi kayo lalabas? Hindi kayo mag-out of town?
Siguro baka Manila lang kami ni Kim. Relax lang kami with time to switch off and pray. And, so